Hello students, in a previous class we discussed about Himalayan ranges. Today we will continue that, and we will discuss importance of Himalayas. A question that has been asked frequently: what was the impact of Himalayas on Indian climate? When we write about importance of Himalayas, first thing we need to write about impact of Himalayas. Himalayas influence Indian climate in various ways. This impact is significant, especially on the distribution of precipitation and temperature. Precipitation we use in a broader sense. A common example, simple example of precipitation is rainfall. Himalayas are the reason for summer rainfall and the monsoon type of climate in regions that are beyond the western Ghats of India. In its absence, this region would have been remained drier. Why this region would have been remained drier? When monsoons move, actually it is get divided into two branches. One branch goes from Arabian Sea, the next one goes from the Bay of Bengal, and they are stopped at Himalayas. Then they spread to the entire North India. This happens because of the Himalayas. Imagine those barriers, those hurdles that just like a fence or something that stops them has been removed. Then these winds might have crossed entire North India, and no question of rainfall there. I would have turned as desert itself. So that's why it has been said it would have turned drier. According to latest studies, Himalayas are responsible for the split of jet streams into two branches, and these two in turn play an important role in the arrival and the success and failure of the monsoons in India. And they act as barriers, hurdles protecting the Great Plains of India from the cold winds which blow from Central Asia. Luckily, we have Himalayas, but it's not the case of entire Asian countries. Himalayas keep South Asia much warmer than the corresponding temperate regions in the other continents. So this one needs to understand that South Asia is somewhat warm, and because these winds have been stopped and the rest of the part is open to those winds. And one more thing, every year rivers which come from Himalayan region, nothing but perennial rivers, they bring a lot of silt. How much area do they cover? From east side of Pakistan to Bangladesh, and a little bit portion of Assam is also covered. How much this one makes? 2.5 million square kilometers fertile plain, and every year this plain is renewed because of the rivers which originate or which come from Himalayan region. And next one, these Himalayas work as natural what do we call it, they provide natural wall or natural security, natural defense they provide us. If you have gone through the history of India, we can start from Alexander the Great to the other invaders who attacked India. We can see that most of them came from west side when we are speaking about the land route. Am I right? And even though technology has made great progress, means of transport has been connected, roads have been laid down to the various places which are elevated, even though now crossing Himalayas is not a cakewalk for any advanced country of the world. Himalayan mountains offer are suitable for what we call for hydroelectric project, which side we can say that the gorges are very favorable for this. So on these gorges, on these places, various dams have been constructed. One, you know that very well, that is Bhakranangal project. You can take that, or the Tehri Dam. Also, you can take Koteshwar. Also, you can take as the example orchards, apple, peach, cherry, walnut, almond, and apricot orchards are grown because of the cool climate. Minerals, metallic, non-metallic. We have coal as example. We can take non-metallic, gold, silver, copper. You can keep in mind. It's simple to remember. And precious stones also available there. Tourism. Himalayas are known for their scenic beauty, so it attracts millions of tourists within India and the outside of India. And what are the tourist places? In previous class we learned that the hill stations or the tourist place, most of them, I'm saying most of them, located in the what do we call that, central Himalayas or less than Himalayas. So they visit these regions, and some places we can count that which have been given in textbook. Shimla you can count, Kungru, sorry, pardon me, Kangra, Kulu, Manali, Mussoorie, Nainital, Ranikhet, you can count, and the Darjeeling is in West Bengal. Forest wealth, as any other forest, this also offers what do we call fuel, wood, timber, gum, resins, lac, and rare medicinal plants are offered by the Himalayas. Okay, next we move to actually one topic or few words I missed when I explained about Himalayan ranges. Let me recount them. After that we can end our class. First one was that lesser Himalayas consist of most, what do we call it, compressed rocks. So this one we missed. Next one, they consist of evergreen forest. Greater Himalayas case, you know that whichever regions are covered by ice and snow, they do not support great vegetation. That's why we do not find a lot, and our textbook finds that almost nothing says. So textbook is the criteria. You need to remember this. If you like this, please share and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching.